What's up guys, thanks for tuning in. I know this is a Wrangler review, so I'm sorry for the Ram in the background. It's all I had today, but it's just like a Wrangler, right? But just a beefy engine. So we've got a Wrangler review for you on the Bilstein 5100s, and it's one of the most popular shocks we sell for the Wrangler. So this is now the 6th set of shocks that the Wrangler has seen. First it was the Rock Sport twin tubes that came on the Metal Cloak 3.5-inch lift kit. It was a short arm kit as well. And then we went Fox 2.0. Then we went with the King 2.0. Got to do the Fox and King head-to-head, and we've got that video on our channel as well. And then we went to a beefy 2.5-inch shock with the Bilstein 8100s, which so far one of the driver's favorite shocks to date. And then in order to get those serviced with the easy click adjuster knobs, we went with the Rancho RS7s, which is their new monotube shock that they redesigned. So we just took those off, put the Bilstein 5100s on, and now we have a comparison of Bilstein 5100 versus all those other options, but also B, a direct comparison in how they are differ from the Rancho RS7s. Jeff did the install. Jeff got first ride in it, so he's going to bring you that review right now, and I hope this helps. Hit up the comments and let us know how we can help. Thanks guys, get into it.
What's up guys, it's me again, and as you can see behind me, we got the Jeep. This time around we're going to be throwing on the Bilstein 5100s, and if you've been following along with the journey, we've taken this Jeep from stock shocks to the Metal Cloak Rock Sport shocks, Fox 2.0s, King 2.0s, Bilstein 8100s, Rancho RS7 MTs, and now the Bilstein 5100s. The Bilstein 5100s and the RS7 MTs are going to be very similar in design. They're both monotube gas charge shock, 2-inch series shock. We're looking forward to seeing how the Bilstein 5100s compare to the RS7 MTs, and is it worth going with the extra cost with the Bilstein 5100s, or should you stick with rocking the Rancho RS7 MTs? Stay tuned, keep watching the video, and we'll let you know. All right, Rancho RS7 MTs are off of the Jeep, and the Bilstein 5100s are on there. We took the Jeep around our block for a quick little test drive to let you guys know in this video what they felt like. Was there a difference? There definitely was. Bilstein 5100s had a little bit more compression and rebound damping. And what does that mean? Well, in the turns, and when you're kind of turn the wheel back and forth, you definitely notice less body roll with the 5100s. Going over the speed bumps and the small little cracks in the road, you definitely feel that a little bit more, but the trade-off is you have a little bit more control with these on the Jeep instead of these. Does that make this a bad set of shocks? Definitely not. If you look at Eric's Jeep, you can see he has steel bumpers, he has a winch with the steel cable line, a rear steel bumper, a heavy 37 off of the back, roof rack, and some tools on that roof rack. It's a pretty heavy Jeep. It's definitely not stock. So having the extra compression and rebound damping on these Bilstein 5100s definitely helps control that Jeep a little bit better. Who would these be for? Well, these are going to be for someone that wants a little bit more comfort and doesn't mind the extra body roll, or if your Jeep doesn't have bumpers and a winch and a heavy 37 hanging off the back. These are gonna be perfect for that. Whatever you choose, either one's gonna be a good way to go. These gonna be a little bit softer, these a little bit firmer, a little bit more control. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, drop us a comment, shoot us an email, and we'll be more than happy to answer anything for you guys.